99% of the NFTs are just lifeless images in a wallet. You can own them, but you cannot know them. There's no connection. We're here to change that. This is OneGotchi, an autonomous AI companion built for the One Chain Hackathon. We have created a pet with a soul. Let us start with a demo. Let me show you by creating a new pet. I can just write Rocky here, and yeah, the connection in one wallet pops up. I can just sign it. Currently, it's verifying the things, and yeah, let me just sign it. Yeah, and a new pet is created. And now let me show you the various features which we have. Like some achievements are unlocked here when I create a pet. And let us start with the first major feature, which is this AI chatbot. And this is completely context aware of the state as well as the current statistics of the pet. Like currently it is X, so obviously it cannot speak. Like I wrote hey, and yeah, vibrations, pulses, gentle trembles, because AI is context aware, it just cannot speak. How are you doing? Yeah, current warm spreads, etc. etc. So let me go to the earlier pets which I created. And hey, how are you? And like it talks because it is in the teen stage and it can tell me that I'm starving, can you feed? Yeah, so now let me go to the next features. These are several stats which my pet currently has: health, happiness, hunger. Its 100 is hunger, so like I have an AI health advisor here which recommends me to feed it soon. Like currently it's stable, but it tells me to feed soon. So this AI health advisor is powered by Grok Llama 3 and this chatbot is also powered by Grok Llama 3. So let me just feed it because it needs. And then we even spawn in the game to make it more interactive. Like this teenage version dropped out of nowhere, which increased my happiness by 10 and hunger by 30. So this was the thing. Let us go to sign. And yes, as you can see, the feed operation was completed. And let us check some other things. Let us feed it again. Yeah, like it sends a personalized message after each feeding. And let us go to the next feature. The next feature is play game. I can play a game with my pet, which can increase its happiness. And if I win, I'll receive a reward. I'm losing. Yeah. So yeah, I can claim a reward, and it sends me a message again. Like it totally lifted my mood. It will increase its happiness. Currently it's 100 only, so it won't increase much. And the next feature will be sync and update, where I can just update the stats on chain. It will be stored permanently on chain. And another thing would be trigger an event. Like yeah, luckily the evolution happened to an adult while we were playing this, so now it is an adult, and we can trigger some random events here, which will impact the stats of my pet. And I can do the timeline here. All the things which were done with my pet, I have an on-chain record for them. What evolutions, what feeds were there, so I have a complete track of what was done with my pet. The next feature is this capture pet card. I can just capture the current state and mint it to IPFS, download PNG, regenerated, because like I can store these things on chain. So yeah, it is then I can view it on, like I can view this NFT on IPFS. I can view the metadata also. It will load. Yeah, this is the one loaded, and here the metadata will load on Pinata. So these were some of the features. And from the suggestion of Swin, that is like the organizing team only, I got another feature like we can have a fight arena to make the game even more personalized. Where I can just type in the wallet address of someone. Let me select my wallet address only for now, and let me just copy paste it. I'll find pets. I can see the pets here, and let me create a fight between these two pets. Since this one is an adult, it will definitely be stronger. Let's start the battle, and yeah, 62 damage in the first hit only, and 20 in the next again. So like yeah, this adult one beats this one because this was in the previous stage only. So a fight is also simulated, and I can earn medals on the basis of that. So this was my project. Thank you for your time. And like NFTs are no more static now. We have created dynamic NFTs which evolve and decay with time. We have solved the static NFT problem. So we didn't just build a game. We built a pet with a soul. Thank you.